Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix this error. So here you can see it, cannot turn on iPhone cellular calls. FaceTime and iCloud must be signed into the same Apple ID to use iPhone cellular calls. So how you can fix this error? So first you need just to go back to the settings, just open the settings, and in the settings you need to choose FaceTime. So just open the FaceTime and just fix here if you're connected to the same Apple ID that you sign in iCloud. So first just check here in FaceTime what Apple ID you choose, and after you just go back and here you choose iCloud. So just find here iCloud. So you can also check it in iTunes and App Store. Here this Apple ID, and it must be the same. So just find and fix if you're signed into the same Apple ID, because it can be also caused by a different Apple ID here. So just check it, and I hope that it will help you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.